What's up, guys? I'm not sure you can hear music, but so we are back testing tonight rather, this morning, wherever you're looking, watching this. Just want to make sure we're good. Alright, so I'm going to have to speak a little bit louder because my fans are kicking on and I can't hear myself in my own live stream. My fans are kicking on and I can't hear myself in my own live stream. Okay, anyway, so we are gonna backtest GJ, only because I haven't backtested at all this week. This week is NFP. This is the first week of March. Happy new month to you guys. I know I haven't made a video, I haven't gone live in a long time, but here I am going live tonight, doing some backtesting, only because I haven't done any backtesting this week for myself, which I am a little bit upset with myself, but it's okay. Just gotta make time for it, so I'm making time for it right now. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So we're gonna start off. It's gonna be a quick little backtesting session. It won't be too long. We'll probably get a couple of trades in. A couple of backtest trades on GJ here. Let me see. Let's go. Date. Start January 11th of this year. So I don't know how well this is gonna go. Only because like my computer is has been very irritating the past couple of days. I'm having to speak louder because the fans are on. I can't hear myself. Irritating the past couple of days. I'm having to speak louder. Okay. So, we trade the New York session, right? I trade the New York session, so I'm going to be backtesting the New York session. Let's see, go to the 4 hour. So let's go to our time frame, our session. So this is 5 a.m. Okay. So right now I'm going to mark the highs and the lows where we are right now. Okay. Now I'm going down to my 1 hour. Okay. Now I'm going to mark where I see highs at. I see highs. I see this high. I see this high right here, right? And I also see, what time is this? It's 8 o'clock, okay. Let's go back one. I see this line. Okay, so this is 6 o'clock, okay. So we'll get like a few good ones in here because my setup is really crazy right now. Alright, so this is 6 o'clock. So I want to see price break above either this level, or we can take the breakout on this level, or wait for a break and retest of that level. So let's see. This is 10 o'clock. Okay, here we go. This is 11. It's pretty late, but let's see. Let's see. Okay, so price just made a new resistance area. Rejection. Okay, what time is this? This is 12 o'clock. It's getting close to the time where I wouldn't trade. Another support resistance area. Alright, this one did it. Let's go back up. So one thing I forgot to check, which I forget to check all the time, which is not good, is overall direction. So are we in an uptrend, are we in a downtrend? That will determine which direction we're trading in. So we are in an uptrend on the 4-hour chart, but we're kind of like consolidating a little bit. You see this is a high, this is a lower high, and it looks like price is testing this high over here. Start at 6. Price is testing this area. We can break above this area. The target area would be right here. would be our entry right here. So entry there. Stop loss is going to be below this candle here, this wick that happened. And then TP is there. So entries here. Alright, because first price broke above this zone. That's number one. We're in an uptrend also. Sorry if I look. I'm so tired, you guys. You have no idea. I'm really sleepy. I just got off work, I did a workout, I meditated, and I got right on here, and I'm like, well, we're gonna get through this. Alright, so price broke above the zone, right? Price came down. Let's delete this for a second. Price came down. Let's go over this right quick. Because this is our trade right here. This is our trade setup. Price wick down. So let's see. Price wicks down. Stop loss below wick. Give me 1 second, guys. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Alright, you guys, I'm back. Okay, so this is what we're looking at. Alright, so price breaks above zone, right? So let's back up one candle. Alright, so here we are. What time is it? It's 8:30 in the morning. New York is open, right? 8:15 actually. New York is open, and we get this close at 8:15, right? Price breaks above the zone right here. So this is a zone of resistance right here, right? So price came up over here on the left side, right? Came up over here, rejected, came back down. Price came up, rejected, came back down. Price came up here, and we finally get a close above, okay? And mind you, the higher time frames told us that we are in an uptrend, okay? So it is plausible for us to be thinking buys, okay? So price breaks above zone, right? Now, when this happens, we are looking for an entry. We're looking for the candle to come back down, wick, and then head up, okay? And then break the highs and then head up to our next area, or stair step our way up, okay? So we'll go to the next candle, and that's exactly what price did. Price came down first, and then it wicked up. Actually, let me see this for a second. Price comes down, wicks up, or it doesn't give us the full, let's see. Okay, anyway, so in this situation, price wicks down, your stop loss will go below the wick, okay? So this is our entry at break above candle. I'm putting my stop loss below the wick right here of this candle. Or you can do it of this candle right here. Alright, so stop loss is there, and your take profit is going to be at the next zone. So TP at next zone, okay? So this is what we're looking for. So this will be a win for us, okay? 2 to 1, 14.5 pips, right? So now, let's see if we can find 2 more good trades, 2 more good ones on GJ right now. So I'm going to remove all drawings. Let's keep going. Let's go to the next day. Alright, 5:15. Oh, you have to like scream. Okay, 6:15. Here we are. Alright, price is still coming up. Actually, we took a dip and now we're coming back up, okay? So, you see an area here. You see an area of resistance right here. And it actually lines up with these wicks over here. So this is important. Waiting for price to either break up above here, break up above here, or below this area, and write it down to this area right here. So let's see. Okay, so we got a closure below right here. Now we're just waiting to see what the next candle wants to do. Price also broke below this zone right here. Okay. So let's see if price wants to come back up and retest this area and then come back down. There it is. There it is. Here it is. So when price came back up, when price came up and then broke past this candle, that was our entry. And our stop loss is already set. Okay. So same thing here. Stop loss above wick. Entry at break And then once price hits the next zone, just get out, honestly. That's what I've been struggling with Monday and Tuesday. I've actually was in profit. Like something like this happened to me. I was trading gold and something like this happened where the entry was good. Like it gave me, like it was textbook essentially, and it came down to this zone. Like it literally tapped this zone. Like it wicked at this zone. Price went up, and I got stopped out. Not really stopped out. I think I closed it. Either way, I lost the trade. But price gave me 20 pips right here. Gold gave me 20 pips, and I didn't take it only because I was targeting like an area down here. But I had this area marked up, for instance. Like I had an area like this marked up for I take profit. It looked like this, but I was aiming for this area, but I was really aiming for this area. Like if price could get down there to this last resistance, okay, cool. But if not, then this would be my area. So that's what I'm actually like focusing on, is trying to like actually scalp and actually understand that I need to take my money, take my profits when I can get them, and not try to hit home runs all the time. That's my issue right now, is just trying to hit home runs and try to get, you know, the most pips that I can, which there is a time and a place for that, and that's just that. And the time that I was trading gold, that wasn't the time and the place for it. So alright, let's see if we can find a few more, possibly one more because I'm extremely tired, but let's see what we can get. See if we can get another good one. So that's 2 wins, right? 2 wins. Monday and Tuesday. So price is coming down, Let's see, this is 9 o'clock at night. This is 11:30. 3:45. The London open changed our direction. Now this is 5 o'clock. 6 o'clock, okay. So we got a little bit of some rejection down here. Looks like a triple top, as you can see. Right? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, right? Triple top right there. Price will have to break above this structure area for us to be back into an uptrend. That's what I'm seeing right now. Right. Pips to this area, and then there's 26 to that area. Let's see. Okay, so this already tapped down here to this area. Let's see what the next candle does. Okay, there we go. So, I mean, it wicked up, closed below. Now, we can either, we could have gotten in on this closure right here, and then set our TP down to here, and once we see like a little bit wick up, we should have closed profit. Let's see what the next candle does. Boom, there it is. So, in this case, either way, it would have been a winner, whether we got in on this candle right here, if we got in on this candle, or if we got in on this candle. So either we got in right here, or we got in right here. Still would have been a winner, right? So let's break it down. Let's say that let's say we waited. Let's say we waited because price broke down and it came all the way and touched our zone right here. It's too close to our zone to even think about getting in and taking TP right here. So let's say we waited, right? So price wicks, comes up, comes all the way down, comes all the way back up, closes still below the zone. We're still closing below the area. The next candle is still closing below the area, right? Let's back up on this one. Okay, so we're iffy. We're not iffy, but we're not too confident in this one because we're already at the zone, right? So we see price doing this. We say, okay, you know what? The next candle we're gonna take. Right? Next candle comes, it wicks, it comes up, and we're taking. Our TP is here. So our stop loss. Let's draw this out, right? Our stop loss is literally right above that wick. Our entry is at the break. Our TP target will be here. So let's say we took some off the table there and we're just seeing this thing just flush down, right? So we take some off the table, 13 pips. So a total of 26 pips, okay? What time is this? This is 7:15 in the morning. But it was initiated at around 6:45, okay? You could say TP1. That's weird how that happened. TP1. Let's see what the next candle does before I say TP2. Okay, we're still coming down. Okay, there it is. This is where I will be closing. So, a total of, let's say, 31 pips. Like, price is telling you to get out. Whether the next candle after this one continues to come down, still, you know what I mean? Like, that's time for you to, like, look how many pips it gave us. Like, GJ did not have to do that. What's the next candle? Okay. Still coming down. I'd be satisfied though. I'd be okay. Alright, there we go. Can we do one more? One more good one? Let's see if we can find another good one. Let's go to the next day. Okay, so now price is coming up. 3:30 London open. This is 5:45. At 6 a.m. So prices. It looks like it broke above this area. We're still trying to. It's consolidating around this area. See a zone right here. But what I'm looking for is price to break above this area here. let's see. Okay, we're close to this zone. So let's see what the next candle does. Okay. Price gave us a wick and a break, so let's take the sale here. So our stop loss is right above. So we're in on this candle. Where's our next TP? So like this area right here. 13 pips, let's see. Boom. There it is. Right. Stop loss above wick. TP's at the next zone. Entry at how many pips? 12.9. Let's say we held it, right? So let's say we went beyond to here. So now we're up 17 pips, right? And meanwhile, we're taking profit all while this candle is coming out. We're closing half, we're closing a quarter of it. We're moving our stop loss to our entries, right? We're moving them in profit. Alright, so this is where we would close it out. Close the rest of it out. So once price, does this nonsense, crazy stuff, that's when we're that's time for us to get out the trade. That means that's the end, because now look, price is creating support. This is support. Okay. That's what I realized when backtesting. When price has a long drop, and then it does this candle, or has like an uptrend, and then it has like a. The more you backtest, the more you'll see it. You'll be able to see it. That's how you'll know like price is about to start changing direction. It's time to get out of the trade. This is your exit signal right here. This candle is your exit signal. Look at that. You can actually also take a small scalp buy here, because look, price broke above the zone, right? Broke into the zone rather. Your stop loss is up to here, and then you can ride it up to this level. Even this, how many pips is this? 7 pips? That's not bad. Okay. Check it. Okay, so now you probably want to get out. But let's see. We already got stopped out here. But look how price continued up though, right? Right when it made this candle. Let's see what time. What time was all of this? This happened at 7 o'clock. Okay. Alright, you guys, we got a few trades in there, a few backtest trades. Like I said, I haven't really backtested all week, so I decided to get on live and do some backtest. Obviously, you gotta do more backtesting than just the few that we did. You gotta just go through, your pairs and backtest, just backtest. I didn't really get too deep into it. I didn't take tally, but we won like 3 or 4 trades so far. But yeah, I just want to get on here and live stream with you guys. Haven't been on here in a while. Happy new month, you guys. I have a lot of new content that is coming to the channel. I really think you guys are going to enjoy. So this is me on my journey, and I will see you guys in the next video, the next live stream. All right, peace out.